Austria. Number 17, Alvarez. And number 15, Solasco. Para sa team ng LPU, number 3, Besena. Number 12, Jimenez. Number 27, Lopez. Number 38, Castillo. And number 46, Alota. Good luck, Moto Kings. Rematch po ng ating Season 1 Finals. Para na po mga players, pakitanggal po muna ng accessories. Ikaw ang Quintas bracelet. Bakit din po tayo ng ayos? And paalala lang po para sa mga manonood, bawal po tayo mag-vape at manigarilyo sa loob po ng vicinity NSTI. Pasuyutin po lahat po ng mga kalat natin. Maraming salamat po. LPU ball. Besena. Vasco Castillo. Roberto Lopez. Balloon. Same ball for that. 14 seconds to shoot. Alota. Alota. Igaro. Vasco Valentino. 14 seconds to shoot. Alvarez go back there. Step back. Go. Besana secures the board. Besana foul. Foul by number 7, Valentino. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng Maribel. Lopez. Pass to Besena. Castillo goes. Holding foul by number 9, Austria. First personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng Maribel. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Alvarez. Valentino. Back to Alvarez. Trapas Igaro. Igaro. Alota. So good. Austria secures the board. Alvarez. Pass to Igaro. 14 seconds to shoot. Alvarez. Austria good. Jimenez to the board. Castillo. Good game para kay Austria. Solasco. Bari-bari na lang. Foul para number 46, Alota. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng LPU. Definitely dropping violation. Turnover para sa Maribel. Besena. Pass to Jimenez. 14 seconds to shoot. Jimenez no good. Maribel Dahil tumatakbo. Tolentino. First serve of the ball game. Nalisahin ni Tolentino. Garcena. Working in the shoe. Jimenez. Official score 5-4. Very well played. Holding the shoe. Solaso, mati-mati udah kalah. 8 seconds to shoot. Rebound para Jimenez. Alvarez to the board. Igor. Berapa Solaso. Para Garcena. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35. Alvarez. Alvarez, dimulai po tayo. Dimulai. Technical foul para number 46, Alvara, and number 15, Solasco. Alvara, second personal foul. Solasco, first personal foul. Official score 7-4. Lopez. 14 seconds to shoot. And the shoot. Garcena. First break of the ball game, all 7. Cross to Igor. Solasco. Second dribble of the ball game in the center. Igor. 14 to shoot. Alvarez. Good. Rebound mana dari Anggota. Foul para Igor. Substitution corner. Igor first personal foul, warning penalty. Two shots para number 38, Castillo. Para Castillo. Official score 11-9 in favor of Cauti. Igor, pass to Tolentino. 14 to shoot. Alvarez. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Aldota. Lopez. Alvarez. Pass to Valentino. 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Aldota. Third rebound of the ball game. Lopez nakapasa. Timeout America! Official score 15-9 in favor of LPU. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Sa ating first quarter. Alvarez. Pass to Valentino. 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Justin. Romero. Nakapasa. Lopez. Valentino, pass to Igor. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 to shoot. Igor 3. Rebound para kay Igor. Alvarez. Igor Comete. Pass on Brashaw. Todo. Anota sa just the board. Pass to Castillo. Hindi para kay Valentino. Time remaining 1 minute and 45. Alvarez. Pass to Igor. Todo. Wala sa just the board. Igor. Tapas. Wala. Official score 17-14. 14 to shoot. Good lead by Alvarez. Good violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds. Peacock leading. Seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound para Mexico. 35 seconds. Justin Poloque. Rapido. 25 seconds. Alvarez. Good lead para Mexico. Rapido. 10 seconds.
reset the mood. Yes, I need a second just to step off the coupe. Little break from the shows and the same old move. Yeah, that shit I kinda has inside. Goes on my brain, kept on some plans. Straight to the hand, relax. That's so
Medical Portugal.
wait for the juice, stay close, I ain't twisting. Another side, side, stop the lid. You don't wanna let fall, if you messy, cause I do make it. Sweat straight, cold winds outside, kid, every frame, been a minute up, now I'm back on land. Searching for a cure to break the chain, pretty good, yeah, man, time to show.
Start of the second quarter. Back to Salasco. Colonna. Salasco the board. Salasco! Rapido. Balabas. Ball by number 15, Salasco. Second personal ball, first deep ball, para sa team ng Maribel. 2 shots para kay number 11, Supang. Ikaw. Pasok Brasyo. Brasyo 3! Rebound para Nicolona. Brasyo. Ikaw. Pasok Colona. Rebound para Lopez. Pushing ball para number 27, Lopez. First personal ball, first team ball para sa team ng LPU. De la Cruz. Rebound para Pico. Rápido al desafío. Double speed. Ball para number 28, Colonna. First personal ball, second team ball para sa team ng Maribel. 2 shots para kay number 17, Rapido. Official score 26-19 in favor of LPU. Rebound para kay Pico. Turnover para sa LPU. Ikaw. Basta ko lang. Pwede na shoot. Rebound para kay Suban. Pico. Rebound para kay Cruz. Castillo. Rápido. Caracas Jiménez. Botín para la corona. Igaro. Botín para el cambio. Foul by number 28, Polana. Second personal foul, 13 foul. One shot by number 17, Ramiro. Official score 29-19 in favor of Crowd TV. Polana. 10 seconds to shoot. Rahul. Opening up the Jimenez.
Looking at the crazy girls and crazies, yeah. That's when the nerves get heavy. That's when the thoughts are heavy. That's when I put on my mask and drown in the mist. You get what I'm saying? Now, what do you mean? Always ready. Drunk code in, couldn't see that steady. Hands on my head, tell me you got a secret shine, so I'm starting shit. God on me, put it all up. Jeans on me, I hope she beat. When he pressed my buttons, I said, don't touch it. So many keepers, so many nice, so beautiful. I know it's but they won't watch when they hate the clowns. We all got ghosts, we try to suffocate them, but they always seem by one. She's 15 years from me.
Time remaining 6 minutes of the second quarter. Igaro 3. 8 points. Official score 31-22. Ananda. Igaro. Dodo. Tapi nga pala nakuha ni Jimenez. Official score 33-24. Castillo, pass to Ramiro. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Austria. Approach shot. Dodo, ikaw na board. 10 seconds to shoot. Austria! Official score 33-26. Down to 7-point lead. 14 to shoot. Back to 10-point lead, 36-26. Rebound para kay Alnota. Alnota. Dodo. Rapid ang Dodo na rin. Austria with the board.
straight to say, get it, proper edit, twice, 500. I be balloons, suck it up.
What a shot by number 15, so last one. Official score 26-29. Down to 7-point lead. Barça LPU. Lopez lead. Alvarez. Back to Alvarez. 14 to shoot. Austria pun kaget. Austria balik-balik ke Aluka. Double. So let's go. Lopez again. Lopez double. Lima pass to Lasco. Laka by Castillo. Austria Commander shot rebound para Rapido stolen by Alvarez double Panen terus ball down para number 22 Colonna. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Foul by number 22, Colonna. Second personal foul, Beckham. Official score 39-31. Rebound by Andorra, 6 rebound in the ball game. Rafael Castillo. Ball by number 9, Austria. Second personal foul, Canada. Two shots by number 38. Castillo.
Tapos yan wala pa sa wala na, di makapasok. Pag nag-buzzer na, ang third.
Official score 41-31. Alvarez. Colonna. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wow, basket down. Who's ball left? Who's ball left? Ball by number 46, Andorra. Third personal foul, 13 foul. What a shot by number 15, Solasco. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Working the shoot. And the shoot. Rebound by Exhaustion. Alvarez. Castillo. 30 seconds remaining. Working the shoot. Back the shoot. Tapping ang bola. Chapo. LBO bola. LBO bola. Seconds remaining. 15. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. And on the second quarter, official score 43-38. In favor of LB.
Wala na kayo punta.
Truth that repeat to you, and nothing that ain't to preach to you. We on the beat, kind of the same in phase. Both talk with our hands and violent. Just a honorable 10, too much talk on the squad, like a body in the sprint. To reach the peak, once hidden in the shadows, that's a secret just leak. Shadow like a blast on the thunderstorm. Goddamn, untouchable form. Goddamn, untouchable form. No more. I supply the gunfire sound like encore. We can toe to toe, cause they calling you raw, but I'll be catching punches like it's all you saw. Like they fake brains wide, put together hand catching off T-side. Brushing them off, they be starstruck, staring like a lost in the fall. Rappers think my city ain't as rough as theirs, or since I'm with the heavyweights, I'm as rough as theirs. Say my hook won't sell, then say these lines like I look like them. Shadow like a blast from a thunderstorm. Ooh, goddamn, untouchable form. From a thunderstorm.
Start the third quarter. Igaro. Igaro with the 11 points. Desena. Pass to Castillo. Back to Desena. Desena kumain. Working the shoot. Rebound para kay Igaro. Igaro. The Filipino. Silva with the board. Desena to Rapido. Rapido. Up Offensive foul by number 17, Rapido. First personal foul. Ikaw ang momentum. So good. Rapido secures the board. 6 rebounds on the ball game. Justin. So good. Castillo. Todo también. Castillo. On the shot score, 35-36. Technical foul by number 28. Kaumara. Technical free throw para sa team ng LPU. Official score 46-36 in favor of LPU. So let's go! To shoot! Rebound para sa Lasco. Alvarez. Pasko Icaro. Icaro pumete. Ganda ka sa kanan. Boletrino!